So, traders, hope you had a wonderful trading week. Hope you did all that you had to do so you can unleash the potential and so you can have a great end to the month of May, not only the month of May, but the first half of 2025. Well, this is your boy Harlem King COT, and we're back again with another video. On today's segment, I'm going to be sharing to you guys possible direction for the coming week. I think it's from the second, just not sure of the date, but I think it's from the second up and until the 6th. Just not sure of the date, but before we start, make sure you like the video, share the video, leave a comment on the video, click that link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and highly recommend. If you're looking for a mentorship course, we're having a 2-day in-person mentorship course. Take my number, take my Instagram link, or take my Telegram link and hit me up so we can chop it up and so we can be brothers and so I can show you all that you have to know so you can be the greatest trader that can possibly be unleashed in 2025, right? But without further ado, let me not say much. Let me share this wonderful video and let me prepare you guys for the next trading week. Not only next trading week, but the next trading month, right? So when you can clearly see that our stretch on the NAS price was just in a range, right? Price is holding a range, I would say, because with me saying this is because prices gave us this type of resistance, and obviously we're having this type of lows, right? So with our with our midweek insight, we did share. You can go check it out if you haven't watched it. We shared that obviously from this zone, looking forward a breakout, so we can look for continuations. So price gave us a breakout, but gave us price gave us a break above, but later on gave us a break below, right? Meaning with a breakout, we had a break below. So price is still holding a range. So with that being said, we're waiting for confirmation for the coming week, and those will be mainly based on us hoping to see that is price gonna give us a breakout so we can look for those moves to the upside, or we're gonna have a fail to break so we can anticipate those possible moves to the downside. Because this breakout gave us a high, but unfortunately the bulls lost momentum and the bears gained strength and moved to the downside. So if it happens that price violates again, then we're gonna wait and see what is gonna happen on our current high. Are we gonna violate our current high so we can further continue bullish, or we're just gonna fail to break our resistance so we can look for those moves to the downside? We just don't know. That's why we're simply waiting for confirmation. Do you guys get it? So second way will be gold. So gold, you can clearly see that price is holding a range, like on the NAS, right? Price is also holding a range. And with that being said, you can clearly see that we're having highs and we're having lows. And with highs and lows, you can clearly see that price has been failing to break below our support. And so we had a breakout and a break above, right? So now that we're waiting for confirmation, this confirmation will be mainly based on us having to understand if we're going to have a fail to break off the support, we're going to look for those intraday moves to the upside. But if price gives us a breakout, then I guess we have to wait and see what is going to happen on on our current lows. Are we going to break further those current lows to continue to the downside? Or if it happens, the price pushes to the upside, then we might look for a breakout above our current highs, right? So we can look for those continuations. But if price fails to break, then I guess we might look for the intraday reversal to the downside. But we're simply waiting for confirmation so we can understand, is price really gonna violate our range, or is price gonna fail to violate our range? That's what we're waiting for. Do you guys get it? But last but not least, having USD CAD. So USD CAD, we might have a trading setup, a trade idea. I mean, based on what? Based on structure, looking bearish. Our current price structure gives us a clean indication of price looking bearish. And with that being said, you can tell that price gave us the sword, the lower low, and price gave us the sword, the lower high. So because now price ended close to weak right there, we just want to see that based on our resistance, based on this resistance, if price stays below of our resistance, then I guess we're gonna have to be what? We're gonna have to be bearish below of this very same resistance. But if price trades above, then I guess we might look for the move to the upside, and that will be the way we anticipated, because this lower low gave us this lower high, And if it happens that price violates our wood, violates our lower low, we might look for those possible new lower lows. But if it happens again that price trades above our resistance, then I guess we might look forward for a break above our highs, our lower high. And if price violates our lower high, then I guess that's a sign of a possible reversal. We might look for those new higher highs. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, we're keeping it simple. If price stays below our zone, then I guess we have to be bearish. But if price trades above, then I guess we have to be bullish. Do you guys get that? So this will be what we'll be sharing. This will be what we'll be looking forward to for the coming week. We're not looking for much. We're simply waiting for confirmations before we can put our money to work. Because markets is just a waiting game. You don't just have to execute. You have to wait and find clarity and confirmations before you can execute. But without further ado, stay blessed by the best, and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next video.